In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to teach you the way that you can fix TikTok profile picture not updating. If you're trying to update or change your profile picture inside of TikTok and you're having issues with it, in this video, let me exactly show you on how you can fix this issue. First of all, what you can do is tap on you'll be able to see the section called free up space. Inside of this, you'll have the option called cache. You can just tap on the clear option and then tap on clear again. Once you do this process, head back to your profile screen and try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, what you can also try out is try to log out of your TikTok account. So just tap on the log out option and then try logging in back. If this step is also not helping you out, what you can also try out is look for any new updates available. So open up the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device, and then you can just search for TikTok. If you are able to see new updates available, you can just tap on the update button. Updating applications helps to fix any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue. Now, once you do these couple of steps, what you can also try out is try to restart your phone, or you can also try to uninstall the app of TikTok from your phone and again re-download it. By following these few simple steps, you should be able to fix the TikTok profile picture not updating issue. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.